So in this video, I'm going to show you how to come in here and check your chain tensioners. I already removed the 2 bolts on the exhaust system. Disconnected the bolt on the clamp that holds the exhaust on. That allows me enough space here or enough movement to get to these bolts. Now that all the bolts are removed, gently remove the cover. You are going to get oil leaking from here when you take this cover off. So don't be shocked. All right, once the cover's off, you'll see this assembly right here. The chain, the tensioner, and there's also a tensioner on the back side of this. These are the tensioners that I did, I think it was 3 or 4 years ago. I just want to inspect these and make sure they're still good to go. To inspect the front one, it's real simple. You can grab yourself a pair of pliers, grab the metal part of the tensioner, pull it back, and then take a look at it. And it's not bad. It's still almost like brand new. Now the back one is the tricky one. So this is the back tensioner. It's right inside here. Difficult to see the tensioner, but you can see it through here. Looking at it, it looks really good. If you have a small thin mirror that you can slide in here to take a look at the bottom side of it, it'd be better. So everything looks good. We're good to go. What happens on these vehicles is these tensioners tend to break, and then you got the metal riding on the chain itself, and that can be a serious problem. It'll damage all the stuff inside here. It can cause some serious issues. It could ruin your oil pump, and if pieces get into your oil system, it could ruin some of the engine parts. But anyway, some guys have asked me how these have held up. These are the twin cam tensions that I did like 4 years ago. And as you can see, they're in real good shape, man. I don't know what the mileage is on these. I want to say at least 20,000 on them already. Yeah, I'm happy with them. So once you're done checking it, it's the same thing. You just put it all back together, right? It's a reverse process. It might be a good idea to replace the gasket, but I'm going to be reusing it on this one here. Put the bolts back, put the exhaust back in place, lock everything down, and we're good. Inspection's complete. I would probably do this inspection in another, looking at these, I'm going to say probably another 15,000 miles. I'll check this again and see how they're doing. All right, you all take care. Goodbye. God bless.